In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block links and server invites on Discord. Whether you're a seasoned Discord user or just getting started, keeping your server secure from unwanted links and spam is essential. So, let's dive in and make sure your Discord server stays a safe and enjoyable space for everyone. First, you'll want to open your Discord application. Once you've logged in, navigate over to the server where you'd like to manage link sharing. Keeping your server organized is the first step in maintaining a healthy online community, and it all begins with server settings. Now that you're on your server, look for the Server Settings menu. This is usually accessible by clicking on the server name at the top left of the screen. Once in the server settings, head over to the Roles section. Here, you'll find a list of all the roles created for your server. Carefully select the role that you wish to restrict. Each role on Discord has its own set of permissions, and managing these permissions helps you control who has access to particular features. To block links or server invites, you need to focus on two specific permissions for this role. Scroll through the permissions and look for Send Messages and Embed Links. By turning off these permissions for the selected role, you effectively prevent users within that role from sending links or server invites to your community. This not only helps in minimizing spam, but also in ensuring that your members are only engaging with content you approve of. For more robust management and to automate these restrictions, consider inviting a moderation bot to your server. Bots like MEE6 or Dino are popular choices, each offering a suite of tools to assist in server moderation. How do you do this? Head over to the respective bot's website and use the invite link to add the bot to your server. Moderation bots are invaluable for server management since they can automate tasks, freeing you up for more creative endeavors. After successfully inviting the bot to your server, you'll want to visit the bot's dashboard. Most of these bots come with a user-friendly dashboard where you can enable various settings. Look for features like automod, anti-invite, or anti-link settings. Activate these options to give your bot the ability to automatically monitor and manage any undesired link posting or server invites. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to block links and server invites on Discord. By following these steps, you can ensure your server remains a positive and secure environment for your community. Remember, consistent and proactive moderation is key to any thriving online space. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.